Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a serum to moisturize and hydrate my face and prime my face as well. Next, I'm using a foundation for my face. Please don't forget to support me. Show me love by subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for showing me love. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. God bless you. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much. God bless you. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. All the names of the product I'm using will be listed down in the description box below. All the names will be listed down below. Concealer to highlight. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Next, I'm using a darker concealer to contour my nose. Using a brush to blend it. I'm using another darker concealer to contour my cheek and my forehead. I'm using a liquid foundation, a darker liquid foundation to contour my cheek and my forehead. Foundation to contour. I'm blending my nose contour so there won't be any harsh line. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlights. Pressed powder to set my highlight. Set the highlight. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set the highlights and also bake with it as well. To set and bake. Set and bake the highlights. Set and bake the highlights. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you. I'm using a brush to clean up the nose contour to define it more. To define the nose contour, I'm using a bronzer for my cheek to contour my cheek and my forehead. To bronze my cheek and contour my cheek as well. And my forehead too. Bronzer for the cheek and the forehead. Bronzer for the cheek and the forehead. It's brow time, brow time. Time for the brows. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean up my brows and to define it. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base on my eyes. The same concealer as my eyeshadow base or as my eyeshadow primer for my eyes. Concealer as eyeshadow primer. Concealer as eyeshadow primer for the eyes. For the eyes. Clean the brows up. Define the brows. Next is eyes. First, I'm using a light brown shade as my transition color for my crease. Light brown orange shade as my transition color for my crease. This color is so pretty. I didn't know it to come out like this. Come out so pretty. And it's so pigmented. Pigment is on point. Next, I'm using a darker brown shade for my outer crease. A darker brown shade. But this shade is not coming out like dark brown. It looks like dark brown on the eyeshadow palette, but when I use it, it was not coming out like that. It was coming out like a red shade. So I changed my eyeshadow palette and I'm using another dark brown shade from another palette. This one is good, very dark brown. For my outer crease, to darken it a little bit, to make it more deeper. Next, I'm cutting the crease, a little cut crease, cutting the crease, a little cut crease for the eyes. Little cut crease for the eyes. Next, I'm using that eyeshadow shade I use on my outer crease first that did not come out as dark as the way I want it on my outer crease. I'm just adding it a little bit. Then for my lid color, I'm using this rose gold shade for my lid as my lid color. Rose goldy shade for my as my lid color. I'm using my hand. It comes out better with my hands than the brush. With the hand, it comes out well and better and perfect than the brush. So I prefer using my hand because it's better. Then I'm blending the edges. Next is eyeliner. I'm lining my eyes with a liquid eyeliner and a little wing. A little wing, 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 wing. A little wing. Long time no wing. Long time no wing. Next, I'm using a kajal for my waterline and my lower lash line. Black kajal. Next, I'm using that brown shade for my outer crease. I'm using it for my lower lash line to blend the kajal. Next is a little mascara for the eyelash. A little mascara for the eyelash. Clean the face up. Clean the face up. Next, I'm using a powder puff to blend my face. Blend to smoothen the face. Next is eyelash. Lashes are good. Next is blush to blush up the cheek. This blush palette is from Tara Makeup. Next is highlighter. Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold to highlight the face. It's good. A little mascara for the lower lash line, just a little. Next is lips. I'm using two liquid Lipstain. I'm using the first one, the dark purpley shade to line my lips, and I'm using the nude one for my lips. Liquid Lipstain as lip liner. That's what we're doing. Blend, blend, blend. Then I'm adding a clear lip gloss to finish up the lips. Clear lip gloss for the lips. And that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please, please don't forget to support me, show me love by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me and showing me love. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.